Right now, it's time for us to check in with Danielle Trotta.
Yeah, Scott Hoke, I'm with two very special high school students. This is Adrian and Taem. They're from north side of Kansas City, and they won the AAPEX competition last week in Las Vegas for disassembling and reassembling a Chevy 350 engine in record time, beating out other teams in an hour and 44 minutes. Adrian, tell me, what were some of the challenges in this competition for you and your teammate here, Taem?
So our biggest challenges were the tools. We only had one extension for each size of the ratchets we had. And another big challenge was a lot of the marking of the pistons, because at the end we kind of got the pistons mixed up, and that was one of the biggest problems and time-consuming things, and we had to overcome and get through that problem. Yeah.
And competition, communication is key, right? And you and Taem worked so well together. Taem, what is the sense of pride and accomplishment for you and Adrian after winning this competition?
Honestly, I feel it was well deserved. You know, we spent a lot of time that wasn't school time on building and disassembling the engines and understanding it. Me and him took a lot of time together without the teacher just to gain some chemistry together, and it just feels great that like all that hard work that you spent on something didn't go to waste. And yeah, it just felt great, honestly.
And AAPEX is really helping showcase the next generation of folks. They're going to work on all the cars here that cross the block at Mecum that we love to buy and drive on the road. Quickly, Adrian, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'd like to be a diesel technician or anything in the diesel field.
All right, and Taem, what about you when you grow up?
I hope to become a shop owner someday. One of my biggest dreams, you know, having a bunch of shops, you know, ordering people around and just sitting back in my chair. So that's one of my biggest dreams.
How impressive are these guys, Scott and Bill? They are making big waves in the car world. Congratulations, guys. We are so proud of you. They also said this inspires them to go back and defend their title next year, and they want to enter more engine building competitions, guys.
There you go. I love that, Danielle. Way to go, Adrian and Taem. Very nice.
You know what's most impressive to me? They're taking those engines apart, putting them back together with limited tools, with all those people watching.
Exactly.
Oh, man, how do you do that?
Well, you know what? That's a great training ground for somebody maybe to get into NHRA, where they take apart that entire dragster engine and put it back together in, 48 minutes or something like
right,
that?
With people watching.
Exactly. That is very cool. And so good to have them here, part of our day here today at Mecum, Kansas City, as we love to see the young kids getting involved in this industry. Very, very cool.